Beauty, hello beauty, welcome to Vhenbeauty channel. Welcome for my old goodie buddy and my new subscribers. If it's your first time here, welcome, and don't forget to like and to subscribe this channel, and also follow us on Instagram with Vhenbeauty, and my personal page is Arabelle65. And yeah, in this channel we talk more about skincare, lifestyle, beauty, vlog, and hair review, and also we do natural things. Welcome again. I'm just doing a short video. Like you can see, I'm in my car. I'm just doing a short video because I just wanted to let you guys know we have in Clonovate in the market now. We have Clonovate has arrived, and we have it in the market. For you guys was asking, because we was out of stock for a few months, and we have Clonovate back in the stock. For you guys been asking about Clonovate, and Clonovate is back. And if you're interested to buy Clonovate, don't forget to send us a message. Also, Clonovate is on ST. I'll put the link below. If you don't know Clonovate, I'll put this. And if you want me to do the review about Clonovate, let me know as well, because I've done the review about Clonovate a few years ago. I think few years ago and a few months ago. Yeah, I did talk about Clonovate, how to use it, how to maintain your skin. Remember as well, Clonovate is a medicated cream. Is designed for people who has a skin problem, but people use it to lighten their skin because it has ingredient, and a Clonovate can lighten your skin, but it meant for people has skin problem. If you have skin problem, Clonovate is good to use, but just use it like 10 days or 14 days and you stop. And if you have asthma, itchiness, and redness and pimple, Clonovate is very good to use as well. It can help you to reduce the itchiness of your skin. And also, if you have asthma, it can help you as well to remove the marks on your skin. For people who has asthma, sorry for my pronunciation, but I'll put there for if I don't pronounce it very well. For people who has asthma, it's good as well for using Clonovate. It's good as well for using Clonovate for asthma, for redness, for itchiness, for pimple. And if you have a big pimple, like, yeah, for dark spot, it's so good to use. Clonovate is very good to use. And but don't use it like for long period. Just use it for 14 days or 10 days and stop. And you have to use it only where your skin is affected. But if you want to lighten your skin, or you want to maintain your skin, some people just use it to maintain their skin. They don't want to lighten, they just put it small and the cream to maintain. But if people want to lighten their skin for 3 to 4 shades, it's good as well. But don't use it for long period. Don't use it for long period. Put it in your cream or in your shower gel. And your shower gel, you can put it on your shower gel or on your cream. You use it, and use it in the evening. Don't use it in the daytime. And also, don't forget to put sunscreen on your skin daytime. Don't use it in the morning or afternoon. Use it in the night when you're sleeping as well. Use it in the night. And in the daytime, when you shower, you put the sunscreen. Always put sunscreen. It's very good. Clonovate can lighten your skin very well. But just use 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon to put it in your lotion or your shower gel. If you don't want to put it on your lotion, put it on shower gel and maintain your skin. You use it on shower gel, and also use your normal cream. That is another way to use Clonovate. Yeah, if you're more interested about Clonovate, leave the comment down there, and don't forget to like and to subscribe this channel and share. For you guys doesn't know Clonovate, I'll put the Clonovate here for you guys to see. And I'll put the WhatsApp number if you want more information about Clonovate. I'll put the WhatsApp number there. Okay, yeah, I don't have much time to stay because I just wanted to let you guys know we have Clonovate. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and to subscribe this channel. I love you guys, and take care. Bye.